the hospital. Police threw tear gas into the compound of the hospital near or next to the ICU, children's ward, maternity ward, newborn ward. The doctors, they had to make sure they have evacuated all those people from those wards until the situation calmed. I want to congratulate our staff, the doctors, the nurses, the clinicians, all the workers of KTRH did a great job to save lives. Congratulations. A team of 30, is it these ones from UK? 10. A medical team of 10 who are attached here from the UK, we want to thank them because again, they helped so much. Before I say anything, I wanted to ask the doctor in charge because I'll again mention a clique of the people who are believed to cause mayhem in this town, whom we must bring down to books and address them straight on their face. What is the second course of action that we'll be able to have before them? Daktari. Nasikia wanahabari jana walikuwa wanapigwa. Hapa nasikia wale hata waliingia na marungu hapa ndani eti nani anapiga picha. Askari huwezi piga wanahabari, ndio wanatupea habari, ndio wanajuza wewe. Mambo ya wanahabari duniani mzima inalindwa. Kama wewe uko hapa Kisii na ni askari na hujui hiyo maneno, jua namna hiyo kwamba wanahabari lazima wana haki. Kwa hivyo hiyo ya jana mlipata babaya. Na naomba kwamba tuendelee kuilinda nchi yetu. Tafadhali, hakuna nchi nyingine tunayo. Hii ikiharibika hakuna nchi nyingine tunayo. Hii ndi nchi yetu. Wanajenzi wako na haki ya kutuambia mahali tumeanguka, na nataka niseme kwamba tunawashukuru, kongole kwenu kwa sababu ya kazi nzuri. Nataka niachie hapo. Leo nataka niseme kwamba naungana pamoja na Wakenya wengine wote kulaani kitendo cha uhuni ambacho kilifanyika hapa Kisii, hapa kaunti zingine zote na Kenya nzima. Tulinde maisha ya wananchi. Askari tafadhali, tunawaomba, na vyombo vya madola tunawaomba kwa hisani kubwa, tafadhali msiwe watu bila sababu, msipige watu bila sababu. Na zile vikundi ambazo zinalindwa na askari wote, time can change. Tafadhali be watchful how you are treating the normal citizens. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka niachie hapo. Nataka nipeane rambirambi zangu, condolences, kwa wote ambao wamepoteza maisha. Sio hapa Kisii peke yake, lakini kule nje pia. Wale ambao wameumia hapa tumesema kwamba watatibiwa na wataachiliwa kwa sababu walikuwa katika maandamano, especially wale watoto wadogo ambao walikuwa wameniambia hao watoto wadogo walikuwa pia katika maandamano. Lakini sasa shida ni watoto wadogo hawezi nyang'anya mtu simu. Watoto wa form 2, wasichana wako na furaha ya kuongea. Kwa hivyo nataka kwamba niseme kwamba pole kwa familia na ambao wameathirika hapa Kisii. Tutaona vile tutasaidia. Mimi kama gavana wao tutawasaidia warudi katika hali ya kawaida. My brother, revenue is relevant, but I want to assure you, revenue is not important than the grievances that the people they are putting across to us. We will listen to the people, because revenue comes after the hearing of the people what they are talking about. And I want to assure you that with the difficulties we have had, my brother, with the difficulties we had, this year we improved. They have been doing around 360 million per year, but this roundup we did revenue of 516 million for the first time in the history of this county. Therefore, the hospital itself And again, for the first time, they did 600 million. Therefore, we are above $1 billion. But I want to assure you, the same citizens that the people pay revenue, but what we are asking them, please, tomorrow, yes, we know there is business. Let nobody attack any business in town, be it is mama mboga. Kama unafanya maandamano, fanya maandamano. Hata mimi mkiniita nitaungana na nyinyi tu, tutembee na nyinyi, as long as tutafute maji tukunywe, ndio msiibie watu wengine. Lakini wana Genz na wainulia kofia nikisema kwamba mfanye kazi nzuri, tumeamka kama inji mahali tulikuwa.
Our community members to respect hospital compounds, to respect hospital entrances and exits, to respect healthcare workers, and also to respect ambulances. We remember, Your Excellency, unfortunately, there are instances where our ambulances were being called to evacuate casualties, but they had to retreat back because of stones. And a number of the windscreens of those ambulances were actually shattered from the stones. A number of vehicles at our parking here were also stoned. If you look at the big signage at the gate, was also, last time it was stoned and vandalized, this time around the same. And a number of windows from this JICA building here were also broken out of the stones. Others at some point could threaten to break into the compound, but we kept engaging them to allow us really concentrate on giving services to the casualties. That's all. Out of 30 patients, out of those 30, by yesterday, 8 were treated and allowed home. 22 landed in the wards. Most of them are stable. 2 out of 22 are scheduled for theater today for various injuries suffered. 2 out of the 22 have obvious gunshots and they are scheduled for theater. We received 1 brought in dead out of gunshot injuries. A number of those in the ward will be discharged home today. Others will be discharged home tomorrow. We also received 1 police officer who was injured with minor blunt injuries. We treated him and allowed him home yesterday. 1 pregnant lady at 36 weeks of pregnancy also was injured, brought here. Luckily, she is stable, should be discharged anytime soon. Our staff, as His Excellency has highlighted, despite stones being hurled into the compound, despite the ambulances being stoned, despite the tear gases being hurled into the compound, braced all that and still went to save the patients. And that's how we were able to save all that we received alive. Otherwise, as His Excellency has said, we want to congratulate our staff of KTRH for the great work they did. This is not the first time they have done. They have done that before, and we hope that will continue for the next days to come. Moving forward, through His Excellency, and he has already highlighted that, would we